like something and anything are indefinite pronouns. We use them when we don't know exactly who or what we're talking about. They're not so scary, though. I don't know what is on the rug. Drag the right pronoun to the sentence. Is on the rug. Something. You made the sentence. Something is on the rug. Cool. Peck walked around with muddy feet. Where was the mud? Drag the pronoun to the sentence. The mud was everywhere. You made the sentence. The mud was everywhere. Nice. We are all reading. Drag the pronoun to the sentence. Is reading. Everyone. You made the sentence. Everyone is reading. Nice work. We do not know what is inside. Drag the pronoun to the sentence. Knows what is in the box. You made the sentence. Nobody knows what is in the box. Keep it up. I do not know where the fish is. Where is the fish? Drag the pronoun to the sentence. The fish is somewhere. You made the sentence. The fish is somewhere. Great job. We can all paint. Who can paint? Drag the pronoun to the sentence. Can paint. Everybody. You made the sentence. Everybody can paint. Great!